All right, Hiro-san.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you.
Yes, we are here front of the Winn-Dixie,
Okay,
going to get the pork.
let's see if they have something to make a really delicious recipe. One of our favorite. Whoa. Oh yeah. Beef ribs. Nice. And steak is in.
Yes.
Oh, that looks good. How's it look to you?
Boneless ribeye pork chop. This one I bought.
Boneless ribeye pork chop. I've never seen that before.
This one I bought. See here too.
That looks great, huh? A lot of good marbling in there.
Boneless pork chop. Yeah, this I bought also. So this one I made it with this meat too.
You made it last time, okay?
This is also pork chop.
Yeah,
But this
with a
is,
bone.
Yeah, but this is a different.
I like the one with more marbling.
This is what I was using.
Okay.
Yeah, this is what I was using.
So which one do you want to use for today?
This is also boneless center. This is both center cut
Okay,
pork chops.
nice.
So comparison this one and this one,
This one looks nicer to me, you know?
right?
Yeah. Okay.
Success.
All right, let's do it, Hiro. Pick one piece.
Yeah. It's up to you. You can pick one. This one. This three. This is inside out. That's funny, but this is a little funny.
Is that nerves or is it just fatty?
This looks like a body, right? If this is a body, it's good.
Okay. A little cabbage, right? Always have to have some cabbage with
Yeah, just for the guy.
katsu. They put a little mayo on it. Seen a lot of people do that. A lot of restaurants. All right, now I'm gonna get some bread.
So really good. Sounds good.
Just did the classic white. Everyone knows Wonder Bread. I grew up eating this.
Okay, we're gonna use this one today.
Okay. Nice little run. We picked up all the stuff. We wanted to make one of our favorite dishes. Right here, let's show everyone what we have here.
Now here is a boneless ribeye pork chop.
This is the first time I've seen a boneless ribeye pork chop. What
Really?
about you guys? And the great thing is, if you're a member, you just register. It's free. You get a little discount. So with the card, there's only, oh, I just noticed this, 777. Lucky number?
Oh, 777?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't. Okay.
That's the price. But take a look at it. It does look like a ribeye, right?
Yeah.
A lot of marbling through that. And if you guys know katsu, once it's fried up, you want some of this fat in between because it just melts in your mouth and it's so delicious. But the thing is, we're going to make it the original way, right, Hiro?
Yeah, usually, tonkatsu, of course, we're using the bread, what they call the panko. But you can get the all dried one here.
Let's
So-
show, we have some panko here,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Let's show everyone.
Yeah, I think most popular one is here. And actually here, Miami, in the grocery store, you can buy only this one, the dried one.
Right.
But back then, when I was in Japan, I was working at the restaurant and making the tonkatsu, actually they have a raw panko. It's not a dried one. It makes really nice crunchy and nice soft.
Right.
Yeah. So,
So you guys don't buy this. We're going to show you how to make it without this, with a simple tool, a blender. And you guys saw this, not sponsored, but Wonder Bread. Bread that I grew up eating. My mom used to buy it at the grocery store years ago. Right here, I'm excited.
yeah, so we're gonna make the panko today. For today, I don't need this brown spot, so I'll just cut it off.
A lot of people don't like the crust.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So this one, this brown spot, actually, you just fry it up and put a little powdered sugar.
Oh, okay.
It is nice. The snacks.
Okay. We can try that
That's
later.
how I was making. and then like I said, kind of sweet, bread sticks.
Oh, I can imagine.
You can use for something with the dessert.
Yeah.
That's how I was using.
Now, why not put the crust in there too? What's the difference? Because you want it more light and fluffy. Why don't the Japanese people include this in that?
Actually, just maybe this one a little bit. This one's kind of soft, but the other one maybe is not really texture-wise. Maybe just avoiding to the equal texture or something.
Okay.
Yeah. So when we make the sandwich in Japan, also probably you already know egg sandwich or ham sandwich, and or even right now they put in some kind of sweets. What
like
they call and a strawberry and whipped creams.
Okay.
So everything, they don't have a brown spot.
Okay. No, the crust. See, I know the Argentinian bakeries down here, they have sandwiches without the crust as well.
Oh yeah?
And they're delicious, yeah. You can find some down here in Miami.
So, but I like this spot too. I really don't mind to eat this brown spot, of course. And also this part is actually in my hometown, Kochi. You see the little small canal in the front of my house, right?
Yes.
Okay, so they have a lot of carps that are swimming.
Oh, okay.
The carp.
Okay.
The fish.
Oh, the carp, yeah.
I just give it to them.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Every time I buy the bread, and then if I get tired,
yeah,
I always give it to them.
You just feed it to them.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna use the blender to break up the bread. Yes.
Oh, very good.
So a little bit you broken like that.
Oh, that was quick, huh?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the finished product. Yeah, okay.
Like that. It's very soft.
Yeah, nice.
Okay, next one. I'm gonna do salt and pepper on the pork.
Okay.
No, don't take this one.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna do here. Next one. Okay?
Okay. Hold on to one hand. You just crack it with one hand.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. This one, I'm just gonna. Today is not a good day.
This is just all-purpose flour?
Yes.
Okay. Now what's great about this pork chop is it's nice and thick.
Yeah.
Nobody wants a thin pork chop. It's not going to be juicy.
Yeah, tonkatsu I prefer a little bit thick.
Got to be thick, yeah. The ones in Japan, the best ones, were nice and thick. Of course, just done panko, homemade panko is just on a flat sheet. Okay, interesting. Okay. Do you have to push it down, pat it down, or no?
Not so much. Not too pressed, way
Don't
too
press it
much.
too
Yeah,
hard, okay.
very softly.
Just softly.
Yeah, gently.
Got it. Okay, temperature is just over 300.
Yes.
Like 316.
Okay, let's go.
This is vegetable oil. Do you flip it over at all?
I do, but not yet.
Okay.
The fryer, they have in the mesh in the bottom, right?
Yeah.
It's not gonna stick, but
Right. Here we don't have it, so that's why you're keeping this.
yeah. Because
Just keep it elevated so it fries underneath evenly too.
Okay, now I'm gonna put back to the oil for a little bit.
How long do you refry it for?
Deep fry just for about 2 minutes to 2 minutes, around 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
It's good?
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Okay, sounds great. The crunch already. Listen to that. Wow.
Okay. Just done.
Okay.
Ready. Yes. Beautiful. Not overcook.
That's right. Okay, now to the tasting part. Hiro, it looks great. Can't wait to try it. Okay, you enjoy.
Okay.
Itadakimasu.
Yeah.
Wow, nice and thick.
Very juicy.
Very juicy. Such a nice thick piece. Let's get a cross section. Take a look at
This
this.
side is very good.
If your katsu doesn't have some fat in it, let me tell you what, it's not going to be so tasty like this. Mm-hmm.
It's another good part.
Wow. That is delicious. Amazing.
Meat a bit, very soft. Very soft.
And not a lot of work at all. You saw what Hiro did. It's very, very simple. Definitely go to find a nice thick piece of pork and you guys can enjoy this dish. Hiro, I think I need some white rice.
Yes.
We'll find some. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know if you made this at home. Here's on. See you.
Yeah, see you.